Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Apanilias Events Hall here in Santo Domingo's second campus dock. We are about to witness the formal civil wedding ceremony of Kenny and Joanna. May we kindly request everyone to please settle down and find your designated seats. And to maintain the solemnity of this special occasion, please switch your mobile phones to silent mode. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Love is a journey, and today, two paths formally become one. Ladies and gentlemen, the wedding processional. Let us welcome the officiating officer for this afternoon ceremony, the Honorable Mayor of Campus Tarlac, Honorable Attorney Roseler Boots Rodriguez. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, it is my great honor and privilege to present to you our very own groom together with his lovely parents, Mr. and Mrs. Liberty Puno and Edgar Puno. How about a resounding applause? Also welcome our esteemed principal sponsors who are here today to stand as pillars of guidance, wisdom, and support for our couple. Our first couple is composed of Honorable Mayor Roseler B. Rodriguez and Miss Diana M. Manalastas. We also have Mr. Jesus G. Toledana together with Miss Petronila P. Toledano. Our next pair of principal sponsors are Mr. Tito P. de Malanta together with Ms. Mercedita E. Mercado. We also have Mr. Monchito C. Puno together with Ms. Sonyali P. Mercado. It is also my great privilege to present to you the mother of our beautiful bride. Let's give it up for Mrs. Edna Ora. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment that we've all been waiting for. Please all stand, tumayo po tayong lahat as we welcome the beautiful bride. Here comes Joanna walking towards the love of her life. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin ang ating bride. gentlemen, how about giving the groom and the bride a resounding applause? juncture, you may now be seated. And at this point, the floor is now formally turned over to our Honorable Officiating Officer, Honorable Attorney President Boots Rodriguez.
Pinaka-importante yun. Naka-record yung gusto ko. Kaya side, kaya POV na yung
hindi po tayo non-child friendly. No? We just want to maintain the solemnity of the ceremony. Recorded po kasi yung kasal. Baka ang maririnig na background yung iyak ng bata. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Kay Kenny at kay Joanna, magandang hapon sa inyo. Sa mga magulang po ni Kenny at sa mga magulang ni Joanna, magandang hapon po. Sa mga kasama kong ninong at ninang, magandang hapon. Sa mga pamilya at kaibigan ni Kenny at Joanna, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Kenny at Joanna, maaari ba tumayo kayo? Tayo po'y nagtipon-tipon ngayong hapong ito upang maging bahagi at masaksihan ang pag-iisang dibdib ni Kenny at Joanna. Samahan po natin sila sa kanilang pagdiriwang sa araw na ito at sa kanilang panalangin na magiging matibay at matiwasay ang kanilang pag-iisang buhay bilang mag-asawa. Kenny at Joanna, sinasabi ng ating batas na ang kasal ay isang sagrado at katangi-tanging kasunduan para sa panghabang buhay na pagbubuklod ng isang lalaki at ng isang babae para sa pagtatatag ng pamilya. Ang kasal ay panghabang buhay. Kenny, ano ang nagustuhan mo kay Joanna? O linawin?
Sa una sa lahat po, welcome po muna sa lahat. Thank you po sa pag-celebrate ng special day po namin. For Joanna po, since po nang magkasama na po kami, wala naman po akong masasabi na particular na katangian kasi po nga, mahal ko nga po siya. So, I don't need to establish any particular po na bagay kasi nga, yan po, ang pinaka-reason po talaga is mahal ko siya.
Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Salamat po sa pagbibigay ng oras para pumunta sa aming selebrasyon. Para sa iyo, B, actually, lahat ng katangian mo gusto ko. Simula pa lang nung una kitang makita, kahit hindi mo ako kilala, iba na yung naramdaman ko. At pinakang gusto ko sa lahat ay yung mahabang pasensya mo at ikaw ang pinaka-understanding na person na nakilala ko. Salamat. Mas mahal kita. Nauna kitang mahalin kasi minahal mo ako. At yun lang.
Okay. Tinanong ko kung anong nagustuhan niyo sa isa't isa dahil ang kasal ay panghabang buhay. Hindi siya 5 years, hindi siya 10 years, hindi siya 20 years. Kung ano man ang nagustuhan niyo sa isa't isa, maaaring yan ay magbago sa pagdaan ng panahon. Pero kahit ano man ang pagbabagong maaaring mangyari, dapat manatili kayong matatag bilang mag-asawa dahil ang kasal ay panghabang buhay. Dahil sa klaw ng ating batas ng kasal ng mga magiging mag-asawa, kailangan pong matiyak, Kenneth Joanna, na taglayin ninyo ang lahat ng mga katangiang itinakda ng batas na maaari kayong ikasal ng legal. Ihilingin ko ngayon sa inyo, Kenny at Joanna, na sagutin ang aking mga katanungan na magpapatunay na naaayon sa batas ang pagbubuklod ninyo ngayong hapon bilang mag-asawa. Magharapan kayo. Ken, tinatanggap mo ba si Joanna na nasa iyong harapan ngayon na yung maging kabiyak ayon sa itinakda ng batas?
Opo.
Kusang loob, walang pamimilit o namang alinlangan ng pagharap mo ngayon upang pakasalan mo si Joanna.
Opo.
Nangangako ka ba at nakahandang mamahalin, iingatan at paglilingkuran si Joanna bilang iyong asawa habang ikaw ay nabubuhay?
Opo.
Joanna, tinatanggap mo ba si Kenny na nasa iyong harapan ngayon ay maging kabiyak ayon sa itinakda ng batas?
Opo.
Kusang loob, walang pamimilit o namang alinlangan ang pagharap mo ngayon upang pakasalan mo si Kenny.
Opo.
Nangangako ka ba at nakahandang mamahalin, iingatan at paglilingkuran si Kenny bilang iyong asawa habang ikaw ay nabubuhay?
Opo.
At upang aking namang matiyak ngayon, Kenny at Joanna, na walang anumang hadlang sa batas ang pagbubuklod ninyo ngayong hapon, ihilingin ko ngayon sa inyo na kayo ay sumumpa sa akin na wala kayong alam na dahilan sa batas na hindi kayo maaaring ikasal ng legal. Meron ba? Meron ba kayong alam na dahilan sa batas na hindi kayo maaaring ikasal ng legal? Wala. Okay.
Sumusumpa ako at nagkakayag na wala akong alam na dahilan sa batas kung bakit ako Kenny Mercado Puno na hindi maaaring kasal kay Joanna Arandia Ora.
Sumusumpa ako at nagpapahayag na wala akong alam na dahilan sa batas kung bakit ako, si Joanna Arandia Uraa, ay hindi maaaring kasal kay Kenny Mercado Puno.
Sa pagkakataong ito'y maririnig po natin sina Kenny at Joanna na magpapahayag ng kanilang pagnanais na mabuklod sa kasal bilang mag-asawa. Mari po bang tumayo ang mga ninong at nina bilang mga saksi upang inyo pong marinig na tunay at totoong hangarin ni Kenny at Joanna na sila ay mabuklod sa kasal bilang mag-asawa.
Aking pinapahayag sa harapan ng aming mga saksi na ako, na si Kenny Mercado Puno, na aking tinatanggap, na si Joanna Arandia Ora, na aking maging legal na asawa.
Aking ipinapahayag sa harapan ng aming mga saksi na ako, si Joanna Arandia Uraa, ay aking tinatanggap si Kenny Mercado Puno na aking maging legal na asawa.
Ngayong naipahayag na ninyo na inyong tinatanggap ang isa't isa bilang legal na asawa, ihilingin ko ngayon sa inyo, Kenny at Joanna, na isuot ang mga singsing na ito na magiging tanda at paalala ng inyong pangako ngayong araw na ito na tinatanggap ninyo ang isa't isa bilang asawa.
Isuot mo ang singsing na to bilang tanda ng ating kasal. Ang lahat ng ako ay maging iyo. At ang lahat ng meron ako, ipapahagi ko sa iyo. Nangangako ako sa iyo na ikay aking mamahalin. Iingatan at pagkalingkuran. Ako'y magiging tapat sa iyo sa lahat ng araw ng ating pagsasama bilang mag-asawa.
Kenny, isuot mo ang singsing na ito bilang tanda ng ating kasal. Ang lahat ng ako ay magiging iyo at lahat ng meron ako, ibabahagi ko sa iyo. Nangangako ako na ikay aking mamahalin. Iingatan at paglilingkuran. Ako'y magiging tapat sa iyo sa lahat ng araw ng ating pagsasama bilang mag-asawa.
Ngayong naisuot na ninyong mga singsing na magiging tanda ng inyong sumpa at pangako sa isa't isa na magpapaalala sa inyo, Kenny at Joanna, habang suot-suot ninyong mga singsing na yan na nakikita nyo sa inyong mga daliri araw-araw ay magpapaalala sa inyo na kayo ay may pinagsumpaan ngayong araw na ito at nangako kayo sa harapan ko, sa harapan ng inyong mga magulang, mga ninong at ninang na inyong mamahalin, iingatan at paglilingkuran ng isa't isa habang kayo ay nabubuhay. Ngayon, Kenny at Joanna, maaari ba naming marinig mula sa inyong sariling salita ang inyong personal na pangako sa isa't isa?
Today, I choose you, not just for this moment, but for every day of the rest of our lives. Standing here with you is one of the greatest blessings I have ever received. I promise to love you with all my heart, to honor and respect you, and to always be honest with you. I vow to stand beside you through every joy and every challenge, celebrating your victories and holding your hand through life's difficult moments. I promise to encourage your dream, to make you laugh whenever I can, and to be your safe place, your partner, and your best friend. I will choose your patience. I will choose patience over pride, forgiveness over anger, and love above all else. Thank you for loving me and for accepting me as I am. Today, I give you my heart, my faithfulness, and my lifelong commitment. I love you always and forever.
I take you as my husband today with all my heart. I promise to love you, support you, and stand by your side. Through the good times and the hard times, I will respect you, be honest with you, and will always do my best to make our home full of love and laughter. Today and always, I choose you. I love you.
At ngayong naipahayag na ninyo ang inyong pagnanais na mabuklod bilang mag-asawa ng akong mga mamahalin, iingatan at paglilingkuran ng isa't isa habang buhay, at nakahandang maging isa bilang mag-asawa, ako sa ilalim ng kapangyarihang itinaga sa akin ng batas bilang punong bayan ng Kapas Tarlac, kaya ngayong ipinapahayag at inideklara na kayo, Kenny Mercado Puno at Joanna Aranya Oraa ay kasal na sa isa't isa. Kumarap kayo sa inyong mga bisita. Ang ating pangbagong kasal, Mr. and Mrs. Kenny at Joanna Puno. Kenny, Joanna, magharapan kayo. Maghawakan kayo ng kamay. Yung pong mga photographer, cellphone. Okay. Kenny, bilang tanda na kayo ni Joanna ay kasal na, maaari mo nang halikan ang iyong asawa.
Once again, congratulations to our newly wedded couple, Mr. and Mrs. Kenny and Joanna Puno. The more I look, the more I find the reason why you're the love of my life. You know one of these days when I get my way, I'll do everything you show you all the finer things in life. We'll forever be in love, so there ain't no getting by. One day Mrs. Diana and Manalastas. I'll say, girl, you at this juncture po, magpo-photocops muna tayo with our newly wedded couple together with our officiating officer, Honorable Mayor Cesar Boots Rodriguez. That day when I say, girl, you married me. I swear that I don't mean it. I say, girl, At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, the principal sponsors will be signing on the marriage contract between Kenny and Joanna. So, let's begin calling the principal sponsors, starting with Miss Diana and Banalestas. 105 is the number that comes to my head. When I think of all the years I wanna be with you. Wake up every morning with you in my bed. That's precisely what I plan to do. Once again, our first pair of principal sponsors, Honorable Mayor Cesar B. Rodriguez, together with Miss Diana and Banalastas. Let's also welcome Mr. Jesus G. Toledano together with Miss Petronila P. Toledano. Next in line, Mr. Tito P. Dinalanda and Mrs. Mercedita E. Mercado. And our last pair of principal sponsors, Mr. Monchito Z. Puno and Miss Soniali P. Mercado.
To be young and in love in New York City. Do not know who I am, but to know that I'm good long as you're here with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City. Midnight into morning coffee, burning through the hours talking. I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I look for the first time. I say for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I like me better when I'm with I don't know what it is, but I got that feeling. Waking up in this bed, 60 years where the moon.
And once again, how about giving the newly wedded couple a resounding applause?
I don't know what it is, but I got that feeling. Waking up in this bed, 60 years where the room had got no ceiling. If we let it the day, we got so high. I get to too much talking. I might have to tell you something. Damn, I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I look for the first time. I say for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I like me better when I'm with you. Say what, say what, say what, oh.
Sound check. Welcome to all the guests. Please find seats and make yourselves comfortable because we are about to begin the program in 5 minutes. So sa lahat po ng ninongs and ninangs, maaari na po tayong pumunta ulit sa entrance dahil meron po kayo ulit entrance na mangyayari. And this time dapat sumasayaw ang lahat. Yes. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, before we begin the second part of this wedding celebration, sa lahat po ng family members of our dear newly wedded couple, you may occupy the vacant seats here in front. Dito po kayong lahat. Sa harap marami pa pong spaces. Here at the front area, which you may occupy. Dito na po kayo. Yes, ma'am. Pwede po kayong lumipat. Para yung mga other guests na papagating pa lang, dyan na lang po sila. Thank you so much. second part of this wedding celebration, so please, to all the guests, find your seats and make yourselves comfortable. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Aberdeen Hall. Today is July 11, 2026, and we are all gathered to celebrate 7 years in the making. To all the guests, please find your seats and make yourselves comfortable. Now, ladies and gentlemen, today is indeed a very special day, not just for Kenny and Joanna, but of course for the dear family and friends, most especially especially those who took a leave of absence from school or from work, and those who have traveled from far places just to be here, celebrating with a special occasion with all of us. So ngayon pa lamang po, palakpakan natin ang bawat isa for being here, celebrating this special occasion with Kenny and Joanna. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, before we welcome our newlyweds, let us acknowledge the pillars of love and guidance in their love. Palakpakan po natin the entrance of our principal sponsors, beginning with the Honorable Mayor Butch Rodriguez, together with Miss Diana and Manalastas. Yes, Mayor, you have to dance to the music. Gusto niyo bang sumayaw si Mayor Boy? Medyo nagigas si Mayor. And of course, let us also welcome the second pair, Mr. Jesus Toledano and Miss Petronila P. Toledano. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. And of course, sir and ma'am, you have to dance to the music. And that's how you do it. Thank you so much. And our next pair is composed of Mr. Tito P. De Maranta and Miss Messalina Ibenado. And our last pair of principal sponsors, we have Mr. Mochito C. Puno together with Miss Sonyani Pimentado. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it is my great honor and privilege to present to you the reason as to why we are all here gathered today. Because without them, this celebration of love will never be complete. So let's give it up for the proud parents of the groom and the bride. Palakpakan naman natin, Mr. and Mrs. Puno. Together with the mother of the bride, Mrs. Oraa. Palakpakan naman natin sila, ladies and gentlemen. And now the moment that we've all been waiting for, ladies and gentlemen, for the very first time as husband and wife, let's welcome with a resounding applause, Mr. and Mrs. Kenny and Joanna Puno. Tatayo po ang lahat. Yes. Okay, once again, palakpakan naman natin ang pagdating sa pangalawang pagkakataon ng man and woman of the hour, Mr. and Mrs. Kenny and Joanna Puno. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, wag na po kayong uupo because at this juncture, we will present a surprise dance presentation for both Kenny and Joanna. Ang lahat po sana ay sasayaw. This is a relatively intimate kind of wedding. So, I expect that everyone will give it their best shot because after we have presented our surprise dance presentation, magkakaroon po tayo ng cash prize para sa best dancer. And of course, at this point, meron po tayong rehearsals. Alright, DJ? I'll be teaching you 4 easy steps na gagawin natin later on. So, without any further ado, let's begin our rehearsals. And live na live tayo, of course, together with the newlyweds,
sasabayan niyo po kaming lahat. Okay? Ang lahat ay sasayaw. Meron po tayong cash prize dito na hindi niyo matatanggihan. So if you would like to get this ampao, okay, as our prize for the Best Dancer Awardee, gagalingan po natin. 4 easy steps po. Ang ating unang step ay tatawagin natin siyang chop step. Okay, paano po ang chop step? From right to left, 32 counts. So, ganito po yung ating chop step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ano po ulit ang ating first easy step? We call it chop step. And our second easy step is what we call the sahog step. Pagkatapos mag-chop, magsasahog. And this is how we do it. 1, 2, pataas, and then left, pataas. Right, pataas, left, pataas for 32 counts. Our second easy step is, ano po ang tawag sa second? Sahog step. And then ang ating pangatlo is what we call the mix step or shake, shake step. Pababa, pataas for 32 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Hindi po ako dancer na. Pagbigyan niyo na po ako. Yun na po yung best ko. Pero sana meron talagang best dancer for the guests of Mr. and Mrs. Puno. Third easy step is the shake, shake step. And our fourth and last easy step is what we call the party step. Ayan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. Before we begin our surprise dance presentation, review muna po tayo. Ano po ang first easy step? Chop step, very good. Second easy step, sahog step. Nakikinig ang mga bata. And of course, our third easy step is what we call the shake, shake step. Pababa, pataas. And our party step. Okay. Mas magulo, mas masaya. Okay? Pero dapat malambot para naman you will take home cash prize from Mr. and Mrs. Puno. Now, DJ, okay na ba ang lahat? Let's dance together to kickstart the program for Mr. and Mrs. Puno. Lahat po ay papalakpak. Papalakpak ulit. Sino kaya ang best dancer? Sasayaw din si Ma'am and Sir. First step. 1, 1 more, right. at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, please remain standing for our opening prayer to be led by Miss Karen.
Once again po, tayo po ay tumayo to have the opening prayer, and that is to be led by Miss Karen.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Let's bow our head to honor the Lord for our opening prayer. Heavenly Father, we come before you today with grateful hearts, praising you for your greatness, faithfulness, and amazing grace. Thank you for gathering us here to witness and celebrate this beautiful and joyous occasion, the wedding of Kenny and Joanna. Lord, we thank you for your troubling mercies upon every family member and friends who has joined to be here today. We recognize that it is by your loving hand that we are safely gathered together to share in this special moment today. We especially thank you for Kenny and Joanna. Thank you for the love you have nurtured in their heart and for leading them to this day. As they stand before you to be joined together as one, we pray that you would bless their covenant marriage. May the relationship always be rooted in your love, strengthened by your wisdom and guided by your truth. Father, we walk them through every season of life, direct their paths, grant them patience and understanding, and help them to love one another with kindness, grace, and selflessness. When they face challenges, remind them that you are their refuge and strength. In times of joy, may their heart overflow with gratitude to you. In Jesus' name we pray, amen.
Amen. Thank you, Miss Karen. And now, ladies and gentlemen, you may now be seated. Ayan, once again po, welcome to this celebration of love between Kenny and Joanna. Yes, ma'am and sir, you may now go to your throne as we are about to kickstart the second part of this wedding ceremony. And of course, what a way to start this celebration. Let's celebrate this wedding with our game number 1. So maglalaro po tayo ng game number 1 and we call it the last man standing. Bato, bato, pick. So, I encourage everyone to please stand up. Tumayo po tayong lahat. Ayan, ang lahat po ay kasali at iisa lamang po ang maaaring manalo sa ating game. Yes, ma'am. Sali po kayo. Kasali po kayong lahat dito. Bata at matanda. Everyone. Ayan. Let me again encourage the guests to please rise. Tumayo po ang bawat isa. Yes. Thank you for your cooperation. And the name of the game is Bato Bato Pick, the last man standing. And of course, the winner will take home an ampao prepared by Kenny and Joanna. Ang gagawin nyo lang po is you have to beat the host. Okay, in Bato Bato Pick, there are only 3 characters that you can use. Paper, scissors, and stone or rock. Alright? So kapag natalo nyo ako, ibig sabihin, you will still continue with our game. Until isa na lang po ang makakatalo sa host. And that person is the last man standing, taking home a cash prize from Kenny and Joanna. So I guess everybody is ready. Let's kickstart the program with the last man standing. Bato, bato, pataas ng kamay. Tataas po natin ang ating kamay and maglalaro tayo in 3, 2, 1, and go. Bato, bato, pick. Lahat ng naka. Bato, maaari na kayo pumupo. Round 2. Bato, bato, pick. Lahat ng paper, pwede na po kayong makaupo. Yung mga talo, yes, very good. Now, let's move on to our next round. Bato, bato, pick. Lahat na naka-rank, pwede na umupo. Magagaling. Now, pwede pa po. Next Lahat ng nakapapel, mauupo na po kayo. Next, bato, pink. Lahat ng nakagunting, maaari na kayong umupo. Yes. Next, bato, pink. Ayan, ganyan lang po ka. Balik. Mamaya magtataguan pa tayo dito. Yes. Now, let's move on to the next round. Bato, pink. Lahat ng nakapapel. Ayan. Konti na lang po ang natitira. Let's continue. Bato, pink. Lahat ng naka-gunting. Ayan. We have our 4 men standing, but there will only be one winner, and that she or he will be called the last man standing. Let's continue. Bato, pink. Magaling. One more. Bato, pink.
Yes! And sino kaya ang mananalo sa kanilang dalawa? Let's have the final round. 1, 2, 3, go! Bato, pink! Yes, sir. You may now be seated, and ma'am, congratulations! For you are the last man standing is a woman. Diba? Mami, congratulations! May pa-cash prize po ang ating bagong kasama. And of course, let's move forward by having our second game. This time naman, the name of the game is... The name of the game is Pera o Bayong via Trivia Questions. Alright. Asan ang ating mga bayong? So ladies and gentlemen, let me explain to you the mechanics of this game. There are 3 bayongs that are labeled A, B, and C. Yes, Sir Cam, pa-forward po sila dahil dyan sila. Ayan, nakikita niyo po A, B, and C. Now, after posing the first trivia question, ang lahat po ay po pwedeng pumila. So anyone who would like to join in this game, pwede po silang pumila. And then, magkakaroon po tayo ng elimination in which isa lang po ang magpapatuloy for the jackpot round. And the person could win as much as 500 pesos. Ayan. Kaya kung kilala nyo si Kenny at si Joanna, ito na ang pagkakataon mo na nag-guess ka lang, nakakain ka na, may 500 pesos ka pa. Ayan. Baka pumaano si baby, pahawak na lang po. And without any further ado, let's begin our trivia question number 1. Saan po kaya unang nag-meet? Ayan, looking at the screen. Where did they first meet? Is it A, Bosai Resort, B, Vest Resort, or C, Aqua Planet? Pili na kayo by queuing on A, B, or C. Pwede pong manghula, go lang. Ay, wala pong sasali. Umuwi na po tayong lahat. Yes, ma'am. Pwede po tayo dito. Pila po. Okay, dali. Dali. Ma'am. Go. Set. Okay, more. For 500 pesos. Yes, ma'am. Sige, pila kayo. Pampadami po, mga madam. Yes, ma'am. Gusto niyo pong sumali? You can win as much as 500 pesos for this game. Dito yung table na to, walang representative. Ma'am, sali kayo. Go. Hindi matatapos to hanggat walang pumipila. Go! A, Bosai Resort. B, Vest, or C, Aqua Planet. Okay. that because we have a lot of trivia questions. Yes, ma'am. Okay, wala na pang dadagdag. 10, 9, 8, more. Oh, dumadami yung may sagot sa letter A. Bakit kaya? So, 5, wala na kahabol. Go, pwede yung mga bata. Oh, sige, mag-input muna tayo ng participants. Go! Kapag tama po yung sagot nyo, you will advance to the next question. Okay, kapag mali, uupo. Now, let's reveal what's the correct answer. Una silang nagkita sa A, Bonsai Resort. Bakit ka lumipat? Okay, ang lahat ng tama, magsistay dito. Stay po kayo sa gitna. And let's wait for the second question to be posted on the screen. Now, on to the next question, please. Saan naman kaya sila unang nag-date? Is it A, SM Megaball, B, Mall of Asia, or C, SM San Lazaro? A, B, or C? Go! A, B, or C? No coaching, no cheating. Alright, 3, 2, 1, wala nang lilipat. Let's reveal the correct answer, please. SM Megamall, letter A. Pwede na po kayong umupo. Now, center please. Let's stay at the center please. As we read the next question. Ma'am, dito na kayo. Pagkatapos na. What is the couple's favorite movie? Ano kaya ang kanilang paboritong movie? Is it A, Love Game, B, The Game 1997, or C, Rush Hour 3? A, B, or C? No coaching. 5, 4, pila na kayo? 3, 2, 1, final answer. Wala nang lipatan. Letter A, sina baby. Let's reveal. The correct answer is letter B. The Game 1997. So, pwede na kayong umupo. Ilan na lang ang natira? Letter B, correct. Ma'am, kasali ka ba? Tama ang sagot mo. Now, let's reveal on the screen the fourth question, please. Ilan naman kaya ang gusto nilang maging anak? Okay. Is it A, isa, B, wala, or C, dalawa? A, B, or C? Wala? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. The answer is wala. Bakit ba? Bakit ba? Gusto nilang sila lang. Ikaw lang ang baby ko. Wala. So ma'am, please do the honor of yan sa center tayo as we reveal the next question, please. What's the couple term of endearment? A, mahal. B, or C? Han, A, B, or C? The correct answer is letter B. Narinig ko yun sa bawang kanina. Right? Let's flash the next question, please. When did they become boyfriend and girlfriend? Is it A, 2016, B, 2022, or C, 2019? A, B, or C? A, B, or C? Okay, ate, hindi ka na pwede pumunta. Sige. Oh, let's reveal the correct answer. 2019. Oh, ito, pabilisan kayong makapunta dun sa letter, no? Pabilisan. Kapag meron na sa A, hindi na pwedeng pumunta yung isa. Let's have the final round, please. Where? Okay, where is the couple's farthest place visited? Saan yung pinakamalayo nilang nabisita? Is it A, Baguio City, Benguet, B, Valer, Aurora, or C, Malinao, Pangasinan? A, B, or is? Let's reveal. The answer is letter C. Pwede na akong Pangasinan. O, diba? Nanalo yung nanay ng bride. Bakit ba? Very close siya sa kanyang ano. Alright, Mami. As I have mentioned a while back, you will be playing the jackpot round. And sa jackpot round, Mami, meron tayong tatlong paper bags na may kanya-kanyang laman. You have to choose only one of the bags. And then right after that, magbibili ako sa'yo ng pera. And then I'm gonna ask you, pera o bayo? Kung pipiliin mo yung bayo, we are going to open what is inside that bayo or paper bag. Okay, kung pera naman, maiuwi mo na yung i-offer namin sa'yo. Okay, bayong all the way, di ba ma'am? So, Mami, anong bayong ang gusto mo? Is it A, B, or C? Ay, Mami, hindi mo siya open, ha? Ituturo mo lang siya. Oh, letter B daw. Yes. Letter B, and let's start with our deal or no deal. So, Mami, ang letter B ang napili mo. So, I'm gonna ask you some amount of money and then tatanungin kita ulit kung pera o bayo. Okay? For 100 pesos. Guaranteed na 100 pesos ang mapapanalunan mo kung pera ang sagot mo. Pero pag bayo, let's see no, kung saan tayo mapupunta. 100 pesos, pera o bayong? Bayong. 150, pera o bayong? 200 pesos kaya, pera o bayong? Itodo na natin, 300 pesos, pera o bayong? Ano ang sagot ng sambayanang Pilipino? Pera o bayong? Mukhang pera yung kabilang table. And then, so Mami, 300. Todo na yon. Pera o bayong? Bayong. Isigaw mo, Mami. Bayong. Bayong. And of course, mag-open muna tayo ng hindi napiling bayong ni Mami. So, let's reveal what is in bayong letter C. Mami, kung ito sana yung napili mo, you will take home. You will take home. Ayan, sandok at shensi. Very good. So, dahil pinili mo ang bayong, instead of 300 pesos, you will be taking home whatever is inside this paper bag. So, wag na tayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Mami, you will be taking home our grand prizes of 500 pesos. Congratulations. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we move on to a very touching tradition. We will start our wedding traditions. Ito po ay mga mahalagang pangyayari po sa bawat kasal na ginagawa natin. So, without any further ado, let me invite the groom to please get the hand of your mother and dance with her. Because this is our first wedding tradition we call bridal waltz. So, sir, please get the hand of your mother. This will be the son and the mother moment. Asa na si mother? Palakpakan naman po natin the proud mother and our very own groom.
She can kill with a smile, she can wound with her eyes, and she can win your faith with her casual lies. And she only reveals what she wants you to see. She hides like a child, but she's always a woman to me. She can lead you to love, she can take you or leave. She can ask for the truth, but she'll never believe. And she'll take what you give her as long as it's free. Yeah, she steals like a thief, but she's always
Mami, and at this juncture, it is now high time for us to witness their first dance together as husband and wife. So, sir, can you please get the hand of your lovely wife as you dance together for the very first time as newly wedded couple. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating couple. Yes! Everybody feeling kilig sila.
No one ever saw me like you do. All the things that I could add up to. I never knew just what a smile was worth. Your eyes say everything without a single word. 'Cause there's something in the way you give me. It's as if my heart knows your missing piece. You make me believe that there's nothing in this world I can't be. I never know what you see, but there's something in the way you look at me.
And of course, we have to seal this beautiful wedding tradition with a 5-second kiss. So ladies and gentlemen, please help me in counting 5 seconds. Okay po ba yun? Yes! So let's do this! Ladies and gentlemen, help me in counting 5-second kiss daw ma'am. Okay? 1, 2, 3, and go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.25, 4.75, and 5. Napakatamis naman. Thank you so much. And of course, at this juncture, please proceed to the area where the beautiful wedding cake is, because that is our next wedding tradition, the cutting of the wedding cake. And of course, this is also their first time feeding each other for the very first time as husband and wife. And to the groom, to the honor of cutting a piece from the cake. And then later on, magsusubuan kayo, yes. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are now witnessing the beautiful couple cutting their beautiful cake.
How sweet it is to be loved by you. Feels so fine. How sweet it is to be loved by you. I close my
All right, and at this juncture, it's the groom's turn. Or ladies first. Ladies first. The beautiful bride will feed her husband for the very first time. And it is the groom's turn naman to feed his lovely wife. Sabi nga, di ba, kung gaano kalaki ang ipapasubo ni Sir Kenny kay Ma'am Joanna, ayun din ang kung gaano niya ito kamahal. Let's see kung gaano kalaki ang ipapasubo ni Kenny kay Joanna. Alright, medyo malaki. And 3, 2, 1, and yes! And of course, everybody will say, yay! 1, 2, 3, go! Louder, please. 3, 2, 1, and you have to seal it with a 3-second kiss naman. Tore it down, sabi ng guest. So, palakpakan natin once again with our second wedding tradition.
Thank you, baby. I just wanna
And at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, we proceed to another wedding tradition. This time, I'll be calling two names, most probably the best friend of Joanna and Kenny, to join us here as we are about to do the final wedding tradition, the wine toast and wine toast. So at this juncture, let me call on the best man, Mr. John David, and the maid of honor, Marla. Miss Marla, to please come and join us here. And of course, before the best friend of Sir will propose a toast for everyone, you have to say something first for the newly wedded couple. Meron muna kayong mensahe.
Magandang tanghali ay magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Ako po yung laging kalaro ni Paring Ken nung mga bata pa kami. Hanggang sa tumanda po kami, ako yung unang nag-asawa. Kaya may papaano ko sa pare. Ako may experience na sa may asawa. Kailangan mapagbigay, tiwala. Ang dalawa yun, tiwala. Kasi pag nasira ang tiwala, mahirap yung ibalik. Ngayon, pag ikaw pare, isa ka na lang magkaroon ng anak, doon mo makikita talagang magkakaroon ng isang pamilya. Yun lang, at saka congrats pare. Cheers.
Okay, now let's hear what has... Okay, let's hear naman the best friend of Ma'am to give or deliver her message to the newlyweds.
Hello po. Ayan, good afternoon everyone. For those who don't know me, I am Marla, and I've been friends with Joanna and Kuya Kenny for 10 years now. And we are co-workers. Yan. So, somewhere along the way, we became just like families in Haitita. Just like sisters and brothers from another mother. And first of all, Joanna, congratulations! Tagumpay ang pagbudol mo kay Kuya Kenny. And alam kong sobrang saya mo sa araw na to. And I know you've been waiting for this since, because sabihin 2019 kasi start lang yun. So 2020. And kidding aside, I'm so grateful that you invited me here as the maid of honor. Nung una ako nagsabi sa'yo na ikaw yung gagawin ko maid of honor, pero dahil ako yung inuna mo. Ayan. And for Kuya Kenny, thank you for loving our Joanna, our ever-loving Joanna na sobrang jolly sa office. And alam naman natin, siya talaga yung nangulit sa'yo. And di ko alam kung napilitan ka, pero worth it naman. Ayan. Thank you for choosing her every single day. And seriously though, medyo mahaba sa seeing your relationship grow through the years have been such a blessing. You both bring out the best in each other. Alam natin yan sa work, friendship, pagiging parents sa inyong bibo, and I'm sorry for And I don't think anyone here doubt that you are meant to find one another. Yeah. And before I end, meron lang akong maliit na gift dito. Seems a little, parang siyang simple lang. It is a clock. And I stopped it during your first kiss as husband and wife. So this is not an original idea. So, ano lang. It shows 4:38 p.m. Okay? So, syempre, alam naman natin sa pagsasama, kahit di pa tayo mag-asawa or kahit anong relasyon na, may times na magkakainisan tayo, magkakaiyamutan, tapos may araw na parang, ba't ko ba pinili itong tao ito? Ba't ba nakakainis na? Diba ba ganun? So, I hope na kapag dumating yung araw na yun, you somehow find time to look at this clock and remember how you said your vows, the exact moment that you kissed each other as husband and wife, and remember all the people here that showed love to both of you and that know that this is all worth it. you are both worth it. Okay? Don't give up on each other. And syempre, pink siya kasi hopeful pa rin ako kahit alam niyo mag-anak, magkakaanak kayo sa sumpapa. Ayun. And, ayun lang. May this vlog remind you of your love. I love you so much. I love you, Kuya Kenny. And cheers!
Ayan,
My
of
best
course.
friend.
And of course, at this juncture, the best man is about to propose a toast for everyone.
And cheers to forever.
And cheers forever.
Ayan, itaas po natin ang ating glasses. And to forever. Ayan, sige po. Cheers! To Kenny and Joanna's forever. Alright, and of course at this point naman, hug naman from our newly wedded couple. Mag-hug kayo to seal that beautiful wedding tradition. Palakpakan once again, our dear newly wedded couple, Mr. and Mrs. Kenny and Joanna Puno. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, this is probably one of the most anticipated parts of any event. Magkakain na po tayo. So we are about to have our sumptuous dinner prepared by no less than K&E Catering Services. And as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, may mga numbers po tayo on the table. Pero wala po yan kinalaman sa order natin, sa pagpapapicture at sa order natin sa pagkain at pagkuha natin ng pagkain sa buffet setup. Because para fair po ang labanan, maglalaro po tayo. At kung sino man ang makasagot ng una, isasama niya yung buong kasama niya sa table at they are the first one to have a photo opportunity with Kenny and Joanna. Okay po ba? What is the game? The name of the game is you have to just give me the title of the teleserye that will be flashed on the screen. Okay? So, kailangan po natin ng isang mic at iikot. Naiikot at maghahanap ng sasagot. Sino ang gustong mauna? So, you have to answer the first poster correctly and let's guess the title of the teleserye. Ano po kaya ito? Ayan. Okay, silang lahat. Pulang araw is incorrect! Ano kaya ang tamang sagot? O, dito. Sinayang ang chance.
Maria Clara at Ibarra.
Maria Clara at Ibarra. Let's see. Yes, that is the correct answer. So please, join Kenny and Joanna for a full opportunity. Not only that, because meron din pa ang pause sa inyo, ang bagong kasal. Go po, kayo po yung mga unang kakain. Yes po. Dahil magaling ang inyong kasama. So, ganyan po ang magiging system natin para hindi rin masyadong pipila. Sige po, please do the honor of joining.
may now queue in the buffet set up as we continue with our game. Ladies and gentlemen, attention please. And Sir Kemsey, how about showing us the next poster, please? Oh, ano kaya to? Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Asan?
Jezebel.
Mali po ang Jezebel. Okay? Yes, ma'am.
Jezebel po.
Jezebel, hindi! Ate, kumalma ka. Yes!
Marina.
Marina, let's see if she gets the correct answer. That is correct. Congratulations! And you will now go to our newly wedded couple to have a photo opportunity. Ayan, ganun lang po kadali magkaroon ng cash prize and yung bragging rights na ako ang unang mabubusog sa kasal na ito. Alright, thank you and congratulations. Now, okay, Sir Kemsey, okay na po ang lahat. Now, attention please on the screen. What's the title of this? Okay, dito. Nauna si Sir. Pangako sa'yo is the correct answer. Congratulations, Sir. At sige po, please proceed to the backdrop and have a photo opportunity. Yes po, thank you so much. Pwede na kayong pumunta doon. Okay, next naman po. Sige po, no, meron lang po tayong inuna ang ating mga, syempre, senior citizens club, na mga oldies but goodies na group natin for tonight. So, sige po. Marita, pumila sa ating buffet set-up. Thank you. And let's continue with our game this time. Ano kaya ang title ng susunod na teleserye o the Three Thieves? Santino is wrong! May bukas pa is correct! Yes, sir, Kev. May bukas pa, correct. Thank you. And congratulations. Ang dami nyo ng chances. Great. There's more. Congratulations to the winner. Handa na ba ang mga natitirang tables? Let's reveal the next teleserye. Oh, kahit blurred siya. Ano yan? Ano yan? Blurred siya. Finally, Encantasia is correct! Ayan. Encantasia po yan. Pwede nang pumunta. Sino yung nakasagot? And to the last table, you still need to give me the correct answer for the next teleserye or else hindi po kayo kakain. Okay? Hindi kasi may prize pa. Sayang naman. So, Sir Cap J, pakita ng next. Go. Next pa po. Ano yan? Next. Mahina ang internet. Sige, pwede na po. Congratulations for being here. You may join Kenny and Joanna for a photo opportunity. Tapos pwede na din po kayong kumain. Prepared by no less than K&E Catering Services. Kung kayo po ay may mga event of any or any occasions and you are looking for caterer, ayan, K&E Catering Services is the key para masiyahan ang iyong mga guests. Ayan, just look for Ma'am Virgie Abadilia, the owner of K&E Catering Services. And of course, newly wedded couple highly request the presence of their respective family for a family portrait. Ayan. Kumakain. The floor is yours at this moment. Also, may we invite the principal sponsors if you would like to have a photo opportunity with Kenny and Joanna. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, while you are enjoying the sumptuous food by K&E Catering Services, let me render a song to all of you, and I hope that you like it. And of course, United Couple requests everyone to please be here until the end of the program. Marami pa po tayong prizes and games. And at this point, let me again render you a song. is called Risk It All by The Mars. This is for you, Ma'am Joanna and Sergey.
For just a chance to win your heart, he could set the bar beyond the stars. I'll do anything, anything you ask me to. Say you want the moon, watch me learn to fly. Ain't no mountain you could point to. I wouldn't lie, it's crazy, but it's true. There's nothing I won't do. I'd risk it all for you. So hold your hand and call you mine. You try to be a man till the end of time. I'll do anything, anything you ask me to. I would run through a fire just to be by your side. If your heart's on the line, you could say goodbye. It's crazy, but it's true. There's nothing I won't do. I'd risk it all for you. I would swim across the sea just to show you. Sacrifice my life just to hold you. I could go on to prove that you belong here in my Say you want the moon, watch me about to fly. The mountain you could point to. I wouldn't lie, it's crazy, but it's true. There's nothing I won't do. I'd risk it all for you. It's crazy, but it's true. There's nothing I won't do. I'd risk it all for you.
Right, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. And if you guys would like to render a song number, a dance presentation, just let us know so we can make it happen. Kung gusto nyo pa kumanta at sumayaw. Of course, at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, the party is not yet over. Right? This time, meron po tayong game dito na may twist. It's Bring Me With a Twist. Okay, ang ating first Bring Me. ladies and gentlemen, congratulations. Ayan. Yes, na nasasarapan. Congratulations. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat. Yes, Ma'am Joanna and Sir Kenny, please go back to your throne. Because later on, meron pa tayong magme-message. Sir, thank you so much. Ayan, salamat po at hanggang matapos yung kumain ay nandito pa rin, no?
Barbara Streisand.
That was the request of our couple to be with them until the end of the program. Meron pa po tayong natitirang prizes. So let's play. Who is who? Itaas lang ang kamay. At sagutin kung sino ba ang sagot. Is it the bride or the groom? Yes, Sir Kenjay, please. Sino po kaya ang unang nagsabi ng I love you? Is it Benny or Joanna? Yes. Ayan.
Joanna.
Joanna, is that correct? Yes! Ikaw, Ma'am Joanna, ikaw pala yung unang nagsabi ng I love you. The owner of the car with the plate number of 6277 na Fortuner, may dadaan po, please. And next naman, who is who? Sino kaya sa kanila ang funnier? Ayan, sino? Sino? Oh, easy money. Go, ma'am. Joanna, is she correct? Let's see. That is correct. Ang ganda nila ang ganon. Parang kakapanalo nyo ng Miss Capas 2026. Now let's reveal the next question. Who does most of the cooking? Sino ang laging nagluluto sa kanila? Yes.
Ano po?
Kenny is the answer. Let's find out if he is correct. Reveal. Kenny, that is our correct answer. And next naman, sino kaya sa kanila ang who is the spender in their relationship o yung laging gumagastos? Kenny or Joanna? Yes? O, sister, bigyan natin ng chance. Ang mga tao sa BBIP. Joanna. Joanna ba? Is that correct? Kenny, sorry, sir. Now, let's have another question. Sino naman sa kanila ang mas romantic? Ayan. Is it Joanna or Kenny? Okay. Kenny. Okay. Ay, si Joanna. Sorry. Next po. Next question, Sir Kim. Who is the better teacher? Oh, sino? Joanna, sabi ni friend. Do you have any answer? Sino? Joanna, ang sagot ni Ma'am. So, ikaw ay? Sige, Kenny ba? Kenny, let's reveal the correct answer. Kenny, very good. On to the last cash prize. Sino naman ang mas pangit ang penmanship? Okay. O kanyang handwriting, Kenny or Joanna? Go! Yes, sir. Sino ang pangit ang sulat sa kanilang dalawa?
Joanna.
Joanna is correct. Congratulations, sir. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin ang mga nakasagot ng tamang sagot. And of course, at this juncture, we have to resume with a more emotional segment of this wedding. And at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, let us call some of the important guests that we have today to give a few words or good luck for both of Joanna and Ken as they start a family together. So, let me call on the mother of the bride, Mrs. Oraa, to please say something for your children. Okay, as they begin an adventure or a venture that is for a lifetime. Once again, palakpakan natin the proud mother of our bride and also the Best Dancer awardee.
Thank you, Kenny, sa pag-isang sa anak ko. Alam mo naman yung pinagdaanan ng anak ko. Hinihiling ko lang more patience, alam mo naman. And Dedeng, submit yourself kay Kenny. And praise God in front, the middle ng inyong pagsasama.
And of course, palakpakan natin ulit si Mother. Now, let us hear what has the mother of the groom has to say, Mrs. Puno. It's your turn. It's your time to shine. Ano po ang mensahe na gusto nyong sabihin para sa bagong kasal?
Ken, Joanna, sana magmahalan kayo. Asawag na kayo mag-away, no? Sige.
Ayan, short pero talagang balaman din ang sinabi ni Mother. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga well-wishers. Alright, and I know that everybody here has something to say for Joanna and Ken as they start their life together. Pero i-message na lang po natin sila. And at this juncture, let me pass the microphone to the man and the woman of the hour. Okay, Ken and Joanna, to thank everybody who in one way or another contributed to the success po ng wedding nila. Once again, let's give it up for the newlywed couple, Joanna and Kenny.
Magandang gabi. Salamat sa lahat ng mga naglaan ng oras para samahan kami dito sa aming special day. Gusto ko lang talagang pasalamatan. Siyempre, unang-una sa lahat, yung family namin. Mama, salamat po sa inyo kasi tinanggap niyo po ako for 7 years. Binigay niyo po yung unconditional love niyo sa akin kahit na hindi pa kami kasal ni Kenny. May time na hindi tayo nagkakaintindihan, pero gusto ko lang po sabihin sa inyo na mahal ko po kayo from the bottom of my heart. Tinanggap niyo po ako bilang tunay na anak at hindi po kayo nagkulang kahit kailan sa akin. At syempre, sa mama ko, kahit wala na si Papa, sana nandito siya nga para nakita niya kung gaano kasaya tong araw na to. Pero gusto ko magpasalamat sa iyo kasi ikaw ang mama ko at pinag-aral mo ko ng mabuti, nagtrabaho ka, at wala tayong ibang inasahan para mapunta ako sa kung nasaan ako ngayon. At syempre, sa kapatid ko at sa bayaw ko, salamat sa inyo kasi sinamahan niyo si Mama, nagbigay kayo ng oras at panahon para makapunta kayo dito. Alam ko yung sakripisyo ninyo kasi napakalayo natin. Pumunta pa kayo para lang masaksihan to. Siyempre sa mga pamangkin ko, salamat sa inyo. Mga bata pa kayo. Magandang kinabukasan na patutungan nyo. Maasa ko sa inyo na magsasama-sama tayong lahat at alagaan nyo si Mama. Ha? Siyempre sa lahat po ng guys na pumunta dito, hindi po magiging special talaga ang araw na to kung hindi po kayo pumunta dito. Nagpapasalamat po talaga ako sa inyo kasi Sabado, naglaan kayo ng oras para samahan kami dito. At kitang-kita ko naman po sa inyong mga ngiti na masaya kayo para sa amin. At alam ko na marami kayong mensahe para sa amin at hindi ko pa man naririnig pero salamat po sa lahat. Yan lang po.
Bago pong matapos itong araw na to, maraming salamat sa lahat ng nakapunta or dumalo sa wedding namin ngayong araw na to. And especially sa mga magulang ni Joanna, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa aming dalawa. At lalo na rin sa mga pamangkin ko, yung hipag ko, yung kapatid ko, yung mga tito at tita ko, mga pinsan ko, maraming salamat. And siyempre, especially mga tropa ko na pumunta pa rin kahit maulan, kahit alam nila na mahirap pumunta dito kasi nga umulan nga or mas pangit yung Panginoon. Thank you pa rin, nakapunta sila. And then pati yung mga kaibigan ko, yung mga nasa likod, mga katrabaho ko, thank you. Kahit malayo, please nakapunta rin kayo dito. And yung mga kaibigan ni Joanna, thank you rin. Kahit, yun nga, kahit malayo, nakapunta rin kayo dito. And sa lahat po ng nakadalo, maraming salamat po.
Alright, palakpakan naman natin once again the new players, Kenny and Joanna. What a beautiful night of love, everyone. We had laughed and we had games. Once again, thank you all the guests na first day until the end of the program. Especially maraming salamat po to all the suppliers who in one way contributed to the success of the wedding of Kenny and Joanna. To the overall coordinator of this wedding, Mrs. Virgia Manila, maraming salamat po. To the hair and makeup artist, Paula Maricela. For the styling, we have Caroline Events. Megamix Pro for the lights and sounds. To our day coordinator, Mr. Kamjay Abadilla, maraming salamat. And this has been your host, Paulito P. Ramos, and let us continue to live up Kenny and Joanna in love. Maraming salamat po for joining us and celebrating this special occasion with us. To God be the glory. Maraming salamat po. And once again, congratulations and best wishes, Mr. and Mrs. Kenny and Joanna Puno.